Questions have surrounded the launch of the new rental registry for lead in the state.
It aims to make sure rental properties in the state are lead safe. Target 12 investigator Sarah Guernelli spoke with the deputy director of the Rhode Island Department of Health. Sarah?
As of October 1st, landlords in the state are required to register their rental properties to make sure that they have a lead conformance certificate. The use of lead-based paint has been banned in the United States since 1978, but the paint that can be a health hazard for children is still cracking and peeling in homes all across Rhode Island.
The goal of this project is that the rental places should be safe places for Rhode Islanders to live. Seema Dixit is the deputy director of the Rhode Island Department of Health, the state agency that's heading up the rental registry. Starting earlier this month, landlords are now required to register their property with the state with a lead conformance certificate, showing that the house is lead safe. Since 2005, landlords should be aware, ideally, that they need to have a lead conformance certificate for their rental property.
Dixit says since 2005, landlords were required to get a lead conformance certificate if a home was built before 1978. However, now all landlords need to register with the state, putting pressure on lead inspectors to inspect homes that need it.
There's just 29 licensed and active lead inspectors in the state. Is it feasible to get every person or homeowner who needs a lead conformance certificate be able to do this in a timely manner?
Lead inspectors from our neighboring states who also have a lead inspector license in their state would be coming into Rhode Island.
Dixit expects about 20 more lead inspectors from neighboring states to help alleviate the backlog. Landlords who don't register with the state could face fines. However, she says the agency is holding off on that for now.
We will continue our work of education, communication, and support to the landlords. So we are hoping to reach a point where we may not need to issue penalties or issue compliance orders.
Another portion of the law states landlords won't be able to evict their tenants for non-payment of rent if they're not registered with the state. Sarah Guernelli, 12 News.